Do you want to become an embedded system and robotics expert? If yes, then ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited offers an embedded system and robotics training and placement program designed specifically for aspiring engineers and tech enthusiasts. Our expert trainers will guide you through everything you need to know, from the basics to advanced techniques. You will learn Introduction to Embedded Systems and Robotics, understanding microcontrollers and microprocessors, programming embedded systems, interfacing sensors and actuators, embedded C and assembly language, real-time operating systems, wireless communication protocol, Bluetooth, Zigbee and Wi-Fi, robotics fundamental, robot kinematics and dynamics, designing and building robots, autonomous navigation, sensor integration and data processing, motor control systems, prototyping and hardware design, IoT integration with embedded systems, advanced robotics techniques, AI and machine learning in robotics, project-based learning, multiple projects and case studies, industry best practices, and many more practical skills you will learn here. With our offline and online live classes, expert trainers and hands-on project, you will gain the skill to succeed in any embedded system and robotics role. Don't wait, join ThinkNEXT Embedded Systems and Robotics Training Program today and unlock your potential. Call us now or visit us at www.thinknexttraining.com.